Hey, this is Dan. You're watching The Conscious Builder.
Hey guys, this is Samir from The Conscious Builder. Yeah, we're out here in Nepean. We started this project in September. We're here right now just because we're getting ready to pour the concrete slab. So we're just drilling down about 5 feet, which is the frost line in this area, just to check to see if there's any frost that will affect the settling in the garage that will affect the concrete slab. So we just want to make sure that we're all ready and prepared, and that's why we're here today doing this. So right now, unfortunately, we got a bit crazy. We got the auger stuck. So right now we're just digging it out, and then we'll get back to it and finish off the holes.
2, 1. Oh, God. So since the last time you guys were here, we ended up finishing all the ductwork downstairs, all the cold air returns. So they're going to be able to get a lot more air up on the 3rd floor, which are they concerned about before. We also finished all the hardwood floor. We did the kitchen area last week, so that's all done. So we matched it up the existing, and we had somebody to come in, sand and stain it to match. Today we're taking off all the old wallpaper. Before I actually went to the store and picked up a bottle of this wallpaper stripper thinking that it was going to work, and sprayed it, probably tried for an hour, try to get it off, and it didn't come off at all. It came off in like little pieces. I was probably getting like a square foot every 20 minutes, which was pretty time consuming. So I ended up renting a wallpaper steamer, which actually works great. We're able to do almost the whole entire room in about an hour and a half, which is a lot better than probably 2 days it would have taken me without it. They're gonna end up just putting new stuff back on. So we're just taking it off now, sanding the walls, making sure we got every piece off, and just so it's all ready for the new stuff to go on.
Good morning, my name is Steph from StonedesignConcepts. This is the new technology now, the way we measure our countertops. We use the LT55 laser system. What this does, as we shoot the walls, it scribes the walls. That way when we do cut in, come install, everything's fit to place without any gaps or whatsoever. I'm just shooting 3 points at the floor to locate the tripod for the laser system. Now, this red laser here, as I touch the screen, it will show me a point on the screen, an X on the screen. When I move it over, it actually draws a line from the first point to the second point. So it's pretty much connecting the dots. So as you keep going, it will do a sketch out of the actual countertop. So this is what enables us to actually follow the wall. On a new wall, you start a new line. And you just keep going. You can scribe about every 4 to 6 inches depending on how the wall is. Typically, so we'll send us a DXF file to our programmer, and what he'll do, he'll lay it all out on the machine, and it will get cut on the fusion on the water jet down in the shop, and it goes then on the CNC, which does all the edges. And from there on, it goes to the polishing station, which they would finalize any edges or make sure everything's smooth. And then they come install, and everything fits typically nice on site. So, yep, that's the whole process.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Building Innovation Trade Show.
This year's theme is on resilience in design and construction in the face of climate change.
We've been a member of GOHBA since we started the business, going on 10 years at this point. And for us, it's been great because we surround ourselves with other people who want to make the industry better, people who are ultimately there to help and push everything forward. I've been learning from people who have been in the construction industry way longer than I have, and they're more than willing to help and pay it forward.